like this.
Crowded days, deadlines are nearing, stress builds, future's unclearing. No one stops to write what must be known. Docs fall behind, half done, overgrown. Hey! You there, have you ever seen this tool? One click starts, and you don't break your rule. Hey! You there, just watches what you do. Writes every step, every word just for you. Everybody's workflows hold the key. Anyone can use it easily. You just work, it follows your exact track. Turns your moves to guys that guide you back. And in seconds turns your path to go. Demo slides, SOPs instantly told. Need to merge steps smooth and sleek. Need a language shift for teams who speak. Keep it local, data stays your own. Or link the web when you choose to be shown. Hey! You there, have you ever used this tool? Saves hours, keeps your projects clear and full. Hey! You there, now you can't move on. It sticks in your mind. FlowShare's here, it's not gone. You there, have you ever used this tool?